Today, I'm going to show you how to get 1% better at prompting any AI every single day. I taught myself to use AI tools while working full-time. I never had much time to sit down and figure it all out. But luckily, I'm quite good with systems, and systems give you leverage, and leverage makes you learn more in less time. In this video, I want to show you the systems and prompting techniques that I use to get more out of AI without putting in crazy hours. First off, if you're ambitious but busy like me, you need to understand the simple maths that make this possible. Otherwise, you'll keep falling into the same trap over and over again. The trap of trying to do too much at once. That's actually a thing. When I started trying to get better at AI, I was super motivated. I blocked out an entire weekend to go all in, watching tutorials, taking notes, reading articles about prompt engineering every day with the intention of leveling up by sheer effort and intensity. And yes, it sort of worked. I'd say I improved noticeably in that weekend alone, which felt great, but after it was over, I was exhausted and I actually stopped paying any attention to how I was using AI for a while, so that's not sustainable. And realistically, that's not something I could afford to do more than once or twice a year. But instead, if I practiced way less but just enough, say, to get 1% better, and I did it every day, if you do the maths, I would have improved by around 7% in a week. That's less than going all in, of course, but I would have no problem keeping that up for a month, improving by 35%. And if I kept that up for a year, it would compound all the way to 3,700%. You would be 37 times better after 1 year. You would be unrecognizable. But how do I improve by 1% every day? What do you actually need to do on a daily basis? There are 3 different approaches that you should know about. The first is to watch tutorials and courses. That's an approach that makes sense because there's already a curriculum to follow. You can find videos on prompt engineering, newsletters, and entire courses, and then you just watch one a day. Simple, but some videos are longer than others, and I personally always ended up watching way more than doing, so this approach didn't really work for me. So I tried something different, just using AI every day and figuring I'd improve naturally through repetition. Every day I'd use it for work tasks, personal stuff, whatever came up. I was getting reps in, right? But here's the problem. Random repetition without intention doesn't compound. Each session was completely different. Different task, different context, different goal. There was no carryover. I wasn't building on anything. And I realized something important. Not every rep counts. There is a qualitative aspect to repetitions which cannot be ignored. Repetition for repetition's sake doesn't get you anywhere. In fact, if you keep writing vague prompts every day, you might end up getting faster at writing vague prompts, but you don't actually learn how to prompt well. If every rep is the same, you don't really improve. But if every rep is completely different with no intention behind it, you also don't improve. There is a balance to strike somewhere in the middle. So I tried a third approach, a simple daily ritual built around one thing: deliberate, intentional practice. 5 minutes after any AI session. Here's exactly how it works. You look back at your first prompt from that session. You ask yourself one question: what was missing? Then you rewrite it using one technique. Just one, and you save it if it worked well. And that's where I found the sweet spot. Each session is different enough to stretch your thinking, yet focused on the same core skill, prompting, making each rep count towards the next one. Plus, the 5-minute limit makes it feel manageable. It makes it easy to fit into any routine. My rule is to do just 5 minutes. I can do more if I want to, but a minimum of 5 minutes. It works because it's very easy to commit to. It's not even double digits. It's just 5 minutes. It's hard to find an excuse not to do it. But there was one big problem. This approach of intentional daily practice works great in theory. But what technique do you actually use each day? What are you supposed to be improving? All the advice I could find online was either too vague, be more specific, or too technical, aimed at developers and power users. What if I just wanted practical, everyday techniques that actually make a difference for normal use cases? So I worked out my own set. 5 techniques that cover the vast majority of what makes a prompt good or bad. The first is adding context. Most prompts fail because AI has no idea who you are or why you're asking. Write me an email. Write a follow-up email to a client who went quiet for 2 weeks. I want to sound friendly but professional and nudge them without seeming pushy. Before you send any prompt, ask yourself, does the AI know why I'm asking this? If not, add that. The second is assigning a role. AI responds very differently depending on who you tell it to be. Give me advice on saving money. Act as a personal finance coach. I'm 28, I earn decent money but overspend. Give me 3 practical tips I can start this week. The role tells the AI what lens to look through. Try it. The difference is immediate. The third is specifying the format. Most people forget to tell AI how they want the answer to look. explain project management to me. Explain project management in 5 bullet points like I've just been given my first leadership role. Bullet points, a table, a numbered list, a short paragraph. Just tell it the shape you want. The fourth is setting the tone, especially important for creative or communication tasks. Write a caption for my Instagram post. Write 3 captions for a sunset beach photo. 1 funny, 1 poetic, 1 casual. When you're not sure what tone you want, ask for options. You'll know the right one when you see it. The fifth is constraining the output. Adding limits often produces sharper, more useful answers. Now tell me about productivity. Give me the single most impactful productivity tip. Under 50 words, when you give AI unlimited space, it fills it with padding. Constrain it, and it has to make choices. Those choices surface the best stuff. My rule is to rotate through 1 technique per session. Not all 5 every day, just 1. That's your 1%. But there was one more problem. Even with a clear system, I found myself skipping it. Not because I didn't want to improve, but because of friction. Friction is what makes systems fail. Even small friction. Having to open a separate app to find my notes, or remember which technique I used last, or decide where to save a good prompt, these are tiny things individually. But they add up, and over time, they wear you down. So I made it as frictionless as possible. I keep my prompt library in a note on my phone. Somewhere I already open every day. I attach the 5-minute ritual to something I already do, right after I close an AI tab. And I started by saving just 1 prompt. Not a whole organized library, just 1. It seems like something very small. It seems silly. But all these little friction points are what make habits fail. So it's not silly at all. And that's how you get 1% better at prompting AI every day. Little challenge for you. Go back to the last prompt you typed into any AI tool. Apply just 1 technique from this video and try it again. See what happens. If you really like this video and want to support the channel, the best thing you can do is hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.